Either if you want to delete Bitget wallet account, then here's how you can do it. First, you just need to go to your Bitget wallet. Now make sure that you are entered or logged in your exact account. Then you can just tap on this four dot button at the top left corner, and here it is. Just tap on it. Now you just need to tap on this section, your my wallet section, within this arrow icon or anywhere in this place. So here at the bottom you'll find delete wallet. Now you can simply tap on delete wallet, and here you there will ask for the confirmation. Now you can tap on yes, and it will ask you for and verify yourself by entering the password or the passcode that you have set for your wallet. After correctly entering your passcode, you can just confirm to for the removal of your account from your Bitget wallet. So it will just delete your Bitget wallet account. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.